I'm back. I had to message this guy from Good Morning America, which is surreal. Very surreal. Yeah, the update is that there is a suspect in custody, which I'm really happy about, but I'm also afraid because who knows what this suspect knows. We don't know if it's this guy. There's a truck that's been impounded. We don't know if it's this truck. But yes, there is a suspect in custody. We're ready for Naomi to come home. We are ready. No word on Naomi yet. Yeah, there's a suspect in custody. My brother's the one that told us. My brother's the point of contact with the law enforcement. They didn't say where they arrested him.